Hi, I'm Damon.
And I'm Joanna, and today I'm excited to review this luxury shower head combo.
All right, so when you unbox this, you have your rain shower head, your stainless steel hose. These are your extra washers, your tape, and your wrench. This is your shower bracket, your handheld shower head, and then your user manual. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install this. So I'm gonna take this one off. We're gonna install the shower bracket here to the one that's attached to the house. The rain shower one will attach here. Your handheld one will be basically attached to the bottom. And your hose will connect to this right here, and then your handheld shower head. So let's go ahead and install this. Installing this was super easy, it took less than 5 minutes. So when you turn it on, this right here, if it's flat, it'll run through the rain shower head. And then to get it through the handheld one, you'll turn it and it'll go through this one. So let's turn it on with the rain shower head on.
So I just wanted to show you guys this handheld shower head. It actually has a magnet right here that attaches there. This has 9 different functions. Like the first one is an actual off button, which I think is going to be handy when I'm giving my dog a bath. There is a function right here where it's almost like a jet stream coming out on the top. So there's like the last 2 levels is where that's going to come out at.
Besides this being a rain shower, we were able to give Kira, our French bulldog, a bath. She seems to have enjoyed it a little bit better, and she seemed to have been a little bit more calmer using this handle, and I know that it had a lot more control. Overall, I think Kira approves of this and that she's going to like her bath a little bit more now that we have this.
All right, so when it comes to this shower head, I like the fact that you can adjust this based off of like what type of shower you have. So if you have a straight pipe here, or if you have like a curved one like we do, you can adjust it so it can fit your shower. It was super easy to put together and put on, so I like that too. And then it gives us 2 different ways of taking the shower. You can have the rain shower, or if you really want to use the handheld one, then you can.
So if you're looking for a new shower head, you should definitely check this one out.